Welcome to Villa De La Mer, a masterpiece of coastal luxury nestled in the prestigious neighbourhood of the Beacons. Boasting absolute beachfront views and a private 30-metre multi-hull marina berth, making it one of the most superior residences on the Eastern Seaboard. This spectacular 3-storey residence, spanning 800 square metres of level land, has been meticulously engineered to harmonise the natural elements of the Whitsundays while epitomising luxury coastal living. As you enter through the electric remote-controlled gates, you're greeted by unparalleled privacy and security. The ground floor also hosts an array of amenities, including a centrepiece atrium, Italian-designed lift, a wine cellar, a bar, a basement wet kitchen, a rumpus room, a commercial laundry, and more, ensuring every need is met with style and convenience. With an expansive open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area seamlessly integrated with the outdoors. Bifold doors open onto lush gardens, a pool, and crystal clear waters, creating a breathtaking backdrop for entertaining. 2 beautifully appointed ensuite bedroom pavilions, a library, an office, and a powder room further enhance the first floor experience. The upper level is exclusively dedicated to the master bedroom, offering stunning sea views and a private balcony. The master retreat boasts a large dressing room and an oversized ensuite with double showers. Throughout Villa De La Mer, attention to detail is paramount, with modern European appliances, tiled flooring, powder-coated aluminium doors and shutters, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and refinement. Outside, outdoor pavilions with barbecues and fridges offer the perfect setting for alfresco dining, while a private gate provides direct access to the beach, allowing you to immerse yourself in the beauty of the Whitsundays at your leisure. Experience the pinnacle of coastal living at Villa De La Mer, where luxury, elegance, and natural beauty converge to create an unparalleled sanctuary in paradise.